Do you think this guy will be repeating our words verbatim? Do you think he will be replaying our words? Do you think he will be playing it back and telling them systematically or stylishly, one day, autopilot, na wetakwa ya onyo komita o, na game change go kwa o, na oda for emeka hafu from nanya o, na anya batakwa na 2023, one day, ama agwa ga piaka ga so now, guy. You see the level, you see the lyrics. We they play the show. We they play in the show, autopiloted IPOB. Mazi Simon Ekpa, the dragon, he's a game changer. Mikweho anyekwetarage. Mikweho anyekwetarage by force. No neme. That's the much I can take because I've already taken so much time. I'll just take it back a little bit so that he will replay those lines again. Let them copy it and know that I didn't just waste 1 hour 30 minutes talking about this loser. He is a bloody loser. He is a criminal. He is a charlatan. You are nothing but onyakazu. Robbing Peter and trying to pay Paul with it. You think you can eat your cake and have it? No. It doesn't work that way. I'm going to take it back a little bit. You play it, you listen to it. Let them replay this and let them know that we know that they love us. We know that they acknowledge us, but they're pretending as if they don't know that we know them. They know they are criminals. They know they are thieves. They know that we are getting there, but they won't. You understand? So let me take it back a little bit. I play it and then I'll open the line. Maybe I have a different number today for you to call if there's anybody that wants to call. But I'm going to call Ada Mwada Biafra first. And let me see. Where am I taking it from now?
All of you people, you see, we are in new dimension. The game have changed. We are in 2023.
Okay.
I tell you, and I'm challenging every one of you before you walk this time around. All of you people, you see, we are in new dimension. The game have changed. Change one now change your but one now label that sometimes they say their franchise will like to gossip. One day I will keep on gossiping. That is how you say it. But okay, very soon. We are in 2023. Before you speak, the power will